and happy to see familiar faces and common friends. Sobrang excited ako because again, this is our first ever Metro Manila for 2025. I know many of you a bit nagtampo because you guys were expecting we're gonna go Manila first for this year. However, you know, Big Bad Wolf is always full of surprises, diba? So we surprise you with going to Clark first for the first time. But however, we're here, we're back, and again, thank you for coming. So this year, what's exciting is we have a lot of new titles. This guy has been working hard every day, literally buying books every day. Mamaya, kahit nandito siya, mag-online buy pa doon ng libro. Pwede na siya rin mag-online selling soon. But again, I really appreciate how Andrew brings not just Big Bad Wolf as a brand, but really champion the mission as well of changing the world one book at a time. Again, let this be my call and favor. We all know that recently we just had our election. We had a lot of news coming about education, of how we wanted to amplify, empower, encourage, and strengthen more the education system in the Philippines. So we really need your help to gather your friends, invite your family, take this chance. Because if last year we went to several Metro Manila, I'm not quite sure this year. Again, we're full of surprises. So you have to follow us in our social media. On top of that, he has a few surprises for you. We do have a few, several categories. For those who were here during the press conference, you saw how we set it up like a mini book sale. Finally, meron na dyang lamesa na nakalagay book talk. Di na kayo mahihirapan because ang dami talagang nagre-request before of the book talk, and he worked hard on bringing us those titles. But of course, there's a few classic that has been out of stock. Pero ngayon, this time, nandyan na siya. One of my favorite is Dare to Lead and Grit by Angela. So, nandyan na siya. I give the mic to the Alpha Wolf.
I made the mistake of saying ladies first and asking her to speak. I think she literally said everything I was going to say. So I don't know what else to tell you guys. But this is a very simple opening. As you can see, nothing fancy. We are very happy to be here. Thank you so much, Vera Mall, for having us. It is, as you guys know, in all the questions that were asked, we are a mission-based business, and we want to change the world through books. Coming to a mall is very important to us because we get to reach out to the majority of the Filipinos who are not readers. I didn't expect this year to continue the mall format, but there were a lot of compelling reasons to do it. Namely, she keeps sending me articles when I'm back home about the literacy issues that the Philippines is going through, educational issues, and of course the government is doing their best, but we also have our own part to do, and we said that we should continue doing this mall format. It's not easy for us. We'd rather do a huge one and have millions of people coming once instead of doing it, 3-4 times a year in Metro Manila. So there's a lot of work, but if it means that we get more new readers, then we put the people first before ourselves. Yeah. So thank you so much, to the team and especially the mall for having us here and believing us in what we do.